So, hey Emory, you going to that barbecue?
What barbecue, greatest ever?
Yeah, the one where I throw my meat on your grill.
What's wrong with you, man?
Emory
You've
Joe,
been driving a truck a long time.
get on with the show.
Hello, what blows my turbo peoples. I get this footage the other day. You know, I'm driving through Pennsylvania. You know, it's raining. It's raining pretty good. You know, and I don't have a problem with rain. But what I do have a problem with, what absolutely just blows my turbo, is people slowing down to a daggone crawl in the daggone rain. You know, like these same people in Pennsylvania, you know, will go like 80 mile an hour in the daggone snow, but when it rains, they want to cut their flashers on and just choke down traffic, you know, to where the rain's potentially becoming dangerous at this time. Like, check out this footage. You see that? Like, that's ridiculous. Like, why are you going so slow? It's only rain. You know, I can't live like that. You know, the rain's not that bad. You know, it helps me get the bugs off my windshield. You know, look at this again. Look at it again. You see that crap? Like, you almost run into somebody. You know, it's just really dangerous, and it just blows my mind, blows my turbo. Why these people in this particular area, and it happens a lot. You know, like especially in the Northeast. You know, people slow down to 20, 30 mile an hour because it's raining. But then whenever you got a daggone blizzard, whiteout conditions happening, falling down, these mugs they're just scooting along, man, just hauling ass. And it's like they got their priorities mixed up or something, you know? And my thing is, all right, it's raining. Cut your lights on, cut your windshield wipers on, you know, slow down a little bit, you know, but daggone, maintain your speed, man. Yeah. With that being said, my name is Emory Joe Earls. Maintain your speed, and I support that message.